Good morning, students. In our last class, we have completed the lesson The Tattered Blanket, and I hope you all have written your notes, uh, vocabulary, grammar, writing, and study skills. And today we are moving to the new lesson. It is a poem. It is from Unit 1 itself. Be reading My Mother. And the name itself, the name of the lesson itself says about the poem is about mother, and we all love our mother. Without our mother we can't imagine our life, isn't it? So today we are going to learn about mother in a poem. So this poem is actually written by Rabindranath Tagore. So he expresses his view towards his mother. So, my mother. I cannot remember my mother. Only sometime in the midst of my play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings, the tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the shiuli flowers floats in the air, the scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. I cannot remember my mother only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. So the story is written by whom? Rabindranath Tagore. So he is expressing his views to about his mother in a poem. So if you see the first stanza, I cannot remember my mother. He's telling that he cannot remember his mother, means he can't remind the features of his mother as he has lost his mother in his childhood. So he's telling he cannot remember his mother, but only sometime in the midst means the middle part of something, or while something is happening. So while playing, so only sometime when he will remember his mother, only sometime in the middle part of his playing, and a tune seems to hover means remain in the air over my playthings. So the tune of some song that she used to hum. Hum means sing a tune with lips closed while rocking my cradle. Rocking means moving gently backward and forward. And cradle means a small bed for a baby which can be pushed gently from side to side. So he's telling when he will remember his mother only sometime during in the means only sometime in the middle of his play, and also during the play he can feel the tune which his mother used to hum while rocking his cradle. Rocking his cradle means while moving the cradle here from one means forward and backward. So, and I hope you all know what is cradle. We use for the small babies to sleep. To make them sleep, we put the child in that cradle and we move it from forward and backward, which we call it as cradle. So he remembers his mother during his playtime, and also he remember the tune sung by his mother while rocking his cradle. I cannot remember my mother. Again he is telling I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early so he is telling when he will remember his mother in the early autumn morning, the smell of the shiuli flowers. Shiuli flowers means small. How those flowers will be is small white or orange flowers that bloom in autumn. So These flowers, when the smell of the shiuli flowers floats in the air, so these flowers particularly grow, means blossom in the autumn season. So when he will remember his mother in the early autumn mornings, the smell of that shiuli flowers in the air, and also the scent of the morning service in the temple. Scent means pleasant smell or perfume or good smell. So comes to me as the scent of my mother. So what he is telling is he cannot remember his mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of that shiuli flowers floats in the air, it makes him to remind his mother. And also not only the shiuli flowers, but also the scent of the morning service in the temple. So in the temple we generally in the mornings when we go to temple, or when we do any pujas or prayers in home, we just burn the this doop, isn't it? So that smell, those means that smell of the scent of the morning service in the temple, that also makes him to remind his mother. I cannot remember my mother. Only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky, I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. So again he is telling that he cannot remember his mother, but only when from his bedroom window, when he's telling that when he see out from his bedroom window into the distant sky. Distance means far away in space or time. So when he look from his bedroom window to the distant sky, he feel that the stillness means the quality of being quiet and not moving. So he feel the stillness of his mother gaze means look steadily at something or somebody on my face has spread all over the sky. So he's telling that he means he cannot remember his mother, but when he look out from his bedroom window into the distant sky, he feel that his mother is gazing towards him. So from the means he feel that his mother is gazing towards him from the distant sky. So this is the poem, and I hope you all have understand this. So I told you before also, the story is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So what is the meaning of this story is, Tagore's mother passed away when he was young. So, in this poem, he expresses his inability to actually recall the face or the features of his mother. So, the sight of his playing things reminds the poet of a tune hummed by his mother. This tune reminds him of her, but often a smell or a tune triggered off in him reminds him the happy moments that he shared with his mother. Memory and nostalgia become the best elements of his imaginary. When he looks at his playthings, he seems to be able to hear a tune, a lullaby that would be sung, perhaps as she rocked her baby to sleep. Tagore also recalls this tune as he touches his old toys. In autumn, the shiuli trees in Bengal blossom into fragrant tiny flowers which are used for worship. His mother would string the flowers from the morning puja at the temple. So powerful was the fragrance of the shiuli flowers that would trigger off happy memories of his mother. Tagore also recalls the quiet scenery gaze of his mother when he looks at the vast expanse of the clear blue sky. Simplicity and re- Simplicity revealed the deep rooted emotional bonding that the poet had with his mother. It makes us realize the great impact her quiet dignity had on the poet even at that tender age. This poem also has a very soft and evocative feminine mystic. Nothing loud, nothing stark, only soothing suggestions of a mother's memory hinged on fragrance and the morning puja or the old melody. So this is what the story about. So we'll see about the poet. Rabindranath Tagore, 1861 1941, is popularly known as Vishwakavi and Gurudev. He was the founder of Shantiniketan, an experimental school. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for his Gitanjali, the Song of Offerings. Each of his poems reflects Indian vision and love towards his motherland. He is considered the voice of Indian heritage and spiritualism. So, here are some hard words from the poem: remember, midst, hover, cradle, autumn, shiuli, scent, window, stillness, gaze. And the meanings: first one, remember means to bring to one's mind an awareness of something from the past. Second, midst, in the middle of. Third, hover, remain in the air. Fourth, rocking, moving gently forward and backward. Fifth, cradle, a baby's bed or cot. Sixth, autumn, the season after summer and before winter. Seventh, shiuli, small white or orange flowers that bloom in autumn. Eighth, scent, perfume or good smell. Ninth, distant, far away in space or time. 10th, stillness, the quality of being quiet or not moving. 11th, gaze, look steadily at something or someone. So these are the meanings, and home assignment for you is write hard words and meanings in your notebooks. So students, I have given you hard words and meanings separately, and I want you to write them neatly in your notes, and I want you to send me without fail. And we'll be continuing the remaining part of the lesson in our next session. Thank you. Have a good day.